If you are trying to improve your English but don't know where to start, this is the perfect place. In this video, you will step right into a real spoken English class where a student begins from the basics and answers every question with guidance. It's not theory, it's a practical live learning. Watch, repeat, and you will discover exactly how to start your own English journey with confidence. So, without further delay, let's get into the video.
Hi, Arjun. Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am. I can hear you.
Great. Can you see me clearly?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. So, hi, Arjun. Welcome to your first day of spoken English class. I'm Kavya, and I'll be your trainer.
Hi, ma'am. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Don't worry. This is just a normal session. We'll go step by step. Since this is our first session, let's start with something simple. I just want to understand your level.
Okay, ma'am.
Tell me about yourself.
Ma'am, my name is Arjun. I am from Chennai.
Okay. Continue.
I'm studying engineering and I want to improve my English.
Good, Arjun. That's a nice start. Now tell me, why do you feel it's difficult to speak in English?
Ma'am, when I try to speak, I don't get words and I think in Tamil. Then I translate. It takes time.
Okay. Very honest answer. That's good. Let me tell you what I understood about you. You can understand English. You know basic sentences. But you don't have speaking practice. And you overthink.
Yes, ma'am. Exactly.
Good. That means you are not a beginner. You are an intermediate learner.
Okay, ma'am.
Arjun, tell me honestly, are you scared of making mistakes?
Yes, ma'am. Very much.
That's the main problem, not English. Most students think, I will speak when I am perfect. But the truth is, you become perfect by speaking.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now we start small. Don't think too much. Just answer. What is your name?
My name is Arjun.
What do you do?
I am studying engineering.
Say, I am studying engineering.
I am studying engineering.
Good. Now full sentence. I am an engineering student.
I am an engineering student.
Perfect. Now, I want you to speak a little more. Don't stop. Tell me about your daily routine.
Morning, I wake up. Then I go to college. Evening, I come back and use mobile.
Good. Very good. Now I'll help you improve it. I wake up in the morning. I go to college. I come back home in the evening. Say it once.
I wake up in the morning. I go to college. I come back home in the evening.
Excellent. See the difference? Now, important step, stop translating.
But ma'am, how?
Simple. Look around and speak directly.
This is my phone. This is my table. I am sitting.
Good. This is how you start thinking in English. When you don't know what to say, use these sentences. Give me a second. I didn't understand. Can you repeat that? Let me try.
Give me a second. I didn't understand. Can you repeat that? Let me try.
These will help you continue any conversation. Arjun, tell me honestly. Do you feel a little more comfortable now?
Yes, ma'am. Little bit.
That's enough for day one. We are not chasing perfection. Now your practice. Follow this seriously. Speak for 3 minutes about your day. Look around and describe 5 things. Record your voice on your phone.
Ma'am, recording is necessary?
Yes. When you listen to yourself, you will understand your mistakes.
Okay, ma'am. I will do it.
Not, I will try, say, I will do it.
I will do it.
Good. Remember this, Arjun. You don't need more grammar. You need more speaking practice. This is just day 1.
Thank you, ma'am. I feel better now.
Great. See you in the next class.